Every day millions of drivers pass road signs, but many still get them wrong. In this video we'll look at 10 road signs that most drivers misunderstand even after years of experience. Stay until the end for a short quiz to test your road sign knowledge. Let's begin. The first confusion: the yield versus the stop sign. A yield sign means you must slow down and give way to traffic already on the road. If another car is approaching, you must stop completely. Many drivers roll through without checking, and that's how minor crashes happen. The stop sign, shown beside it here, means you must always make a full stop, even if the road looks clear. The second confusion: the slippery. When wet sign doesn't mean drifting is allowed. It's a warning that the road can become slippery when wet or icy. Even on dry days, dust, oil, or shade can reduce grip. When you see this sign, reduce speed and avoid sudden turns or braking. The third confusion: the no passing zone sign is often ignored, but it can save lives. In the US, it's a yellow triangle. In Europe, it's a white circle with a red border and two cars, one red, one black. It means overtaking is forbidden because visibility or distance is limited. Crossing that line could cause a deadly head-on collision. The fourth confusion: no parking versus no stopping. This one causes a lot of tickets. No parking means you can stop briefly to load or unload passengers or goods. No stopping means you can't even pause your vehicle, not for 1 second. Always check the symbol carefully before stopping. The fifth confusion: school zone signs are often ignored, but they're there for a reason. Many drivers make the mistake of thinking the reduced speed limit only applies when children are visible. In reality, it applies whenever the sign is active, even if the area looks empty. Others forget that flashing yellow lights mean the zone is currently in effect, not optional. Some drivers also accelerate too early before leaving the zone completely. Always slow down, stay alert for crossing guards or buses, and respect the entire marked area and time limits. The sixth confusion: roundabouts often confuse drivers, especially those who aren't used to them. The main rule is simple: vehicles already inside the roundabout have the right of way. But here's where many drivers make mistakes. Some enter too quickly without checking for traffic, cutting off other vehicles. Others stop inside the roundabout or hesitate too long, blocking the flow of traffic. Many forget to signal when exiting, leaving other drivers guessing. To stay safe, approach slowly, yield to traffic already circulating, and use your turn signal when leaving the roundabout. Smooth, predictable driving keeps everyone safe. The seventh confusion. Here's another sign that confuses a lot of drivers: the merge sign versus the added lane sign. A merge sign means two lanes are becoming one. You need to check your mirrors, adjust your speed, and merge safely into the traffic flow. But here's where drivers often go wrong. Some slow down too much and block the lane, while others speed up and try to cut in at the last second. Both mistakes cause sudden braking and sideswipe collisions. On the other hand, the added lane sign means a new lane joins the road. No merging is needed. Many drivers still try to force their way over, creating confusion and unnecessary danger. Knowing the difference keeps traffic smooth and predictable. The eighth confusion: speed limit signs are among the most misunderstood on the road. The number shown is the maximum legal speed, not a goal you have to reach, yet many drivers treat it like a target, pushing the limit even when conditions are unsafe. A common mistake is driving at full speed in bad weather or heavy traffic, where slower speeds are actually safer. Others slow down too much in fast zones, causing sudden braking and congestion behind them. Remember, speed limits are designed for ideal conditions. Always adjust your speed for rain, fog, night driving, or heavy traffic. It's not about going fast, it's about staying safe and predictable. The ninth confusion. The deer crossing sign isn't decorative, it's a serious warning. It marks areas where animals frequently cross the road, especially at dawn or dusk. But here's how many drivers make mistakes. Some ignore the sign completely, thinking it's just a reminder, and continue driving at full speed. Others use their high beams too late, startling animals and causing them to freeze on the road. A few even swerve sharply to avoid animals, losing control of their car. The correct behavior is simple. Slow down as soon as you see the sign, scan both sides of the road, and keep your hands steady on the wheel. If an animal appears, brake firmly, but never swerve into oncoming traffic. Staying calm and alert can prevent a serious accident. The 10th confusion. Many drivers don't realize that road sign colors have specific meanings, and they're almost universal around the world. Red means prohibition or danger, like stop or no entry signs. Blue is used for mandatory instructions, such as turn right or keep left. Yellow warns of upcoming conditions or hazards, signaling caution and attention ahead. Green provides general information, such as directions, distances, or exits. And brown signs, those are for tourist attractions and cultural sites. Museums, parks, and landmarks. Knowing these color codes helps you react faster and understand a sign's purpose instantly, even before you read the words. Time for a quick quiz. Can you name these signs before I reveal the answer? First one. That's slippery when wet. Second. That's no overtaking. Third. That's roundabout ahead. Fourth. That's a yield sign. Fifth. That's a no parking sign. Sixth. That's the added lane sign. Seventh. That's the merge sign. Eighth. That's school zone ahead. Ninth. That's a no stopping sign. Last one. That's a mandatory turn. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Even experienced drivers get some of these wrong, but now you know better. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning to drive. Check out my other videos on warning signs and prohibition signs for more driving tips. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.